Hi there, welcome back to ET. Now you're watching Market Cafe with me, Kanishka Sarkar, and it's time now to take a look at how the Asia Pacific markets have opened up. And it's a rather day in the green. That is what we are seeing for the Asia Pacific front, with several exchanges in the region closed for the Boxing Day holiday. But let's see how the indices are doing. Now, China's Shanghai index, that's managing to hold on to its 3,960 odd level, up about 0.1%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng, that's actually close, but it did end about 0.1%, nearly 0.2% higher for that matter, 25,800. That's the level that it has managed to hold on to. Japan's Nikkei, that's actually doing pretty well in trade today, up nearly 1%, 50,870 is where it's trading. So yes, good day of trade coming in for Japan. South Korea's Kospi, that's also trading about 0.6% higher, 4,133 is where it's currently trading. So yes, a good day of trade coming in. Australia and Hong Kong's Hang Seng, Australia and Hong Kong markets, they are closed for the holiday today. So yes, that's how the markets are looking. Now, if you talk about the Nifty, we did end above that 26,140 mark, but it was a negative day that we saw for the Nifty on Wednesday. After that positive start that we saw for the week, we have now declined from those levels and ended at that 26,142 level. And today also we are expecting a very muted start, down about 44% on the Nifty implied open. So yes, a mildly negative start is what we are expecting for the Nifty. But speaking of Nifty, let's take you through what happened on Wednesday and how the markets really panned out. Nifty actually snapped its 3-day gaining streak and ended at that 26,142 level. Nifty Bank also ended below that 59,200 mark. All of the indices actually ended in the red. The broader end of the market, that also witnessed some kind of selling pressure. Nifty mid cap, that actually snapped its 4-day gaining streak. Nifty small cap, however, that gained for the 5th straight session. So yes, small cap indices actually fared better. If we talk about sectors now, Nifty Realty, that was the top gainer, top sectoral gainer. Nifty Metal, however, that also gained for the 6th straight session. Meanwhile, if we talk about the losers on the sectoral front, Nifty Pharma, that was the top sectoral loser on trading in the trading session on Wednesday. Nifty IT, that continued to see its fall for the 2nd straight session, especially because of the H1B visa rules that the US has come out with, and it's doing away with the lottery system. So IT stocks, all of them saw some kind of pressure on Wednesday. PSU Pack also closed in the red. PSU Banks, they closed in the red for the 2nd straight session on Wednesday. FMCG, that also snapped its 3-day gaining streak actually, and Nifty Energy, that also ended in the red, ending its 3-day gaining streak. So yes, it was a rather negative day that we saw for the Indian markets on Wednesday, and today also we are expecting a mildly negative start only, despite the positive skews that we have picked up from the US as well as Asia. But let's see how it really pans out. But lots of stocks that are going to be